Baklava. I like sweet baklava. Tiramisu. Tiramisu is Italian. Gelato. Gelato is cold and creamy. Croissant. I eat a croissant for breakfast. Rice pudding. Rice pudding is soft. Cheesecake. Cheesecake is my favorite. Halva. Halva is very sweet. Mochi. Mochi is from Japan. Apple pie. Apple pie is delicious. Bashmak. Bashmak is like cotton candy. Éclair. Éclair has cream inside. Kulfi. Kulfi is an Indian dessert. Red velvet cake. Red velvet cake is red. Conali. Conali is from Italy. Zulbia. Zulbia is crispy and fried. Sorbet. Sorbet is fruity and cold. Black Forest cake. Black Forest cake has cherries. Gaz. Gaz is from Isfahan. Profiterol. Profiterol is a small pastry. Jalebi. Jalebi is orange and sweet. Chocolate mousse. Chocolate mousse is light. Cinnamon roll. Cinnamon roll has cinnamon. Gulab jamun. Gulab jamun is brown and round. Ice cream. I love ice cream in summer. Nun katai. Nun katai is a cookie. Brownie. Brownie is chocolatey. Sundae. Sundae has nuts and sauce. Marshmallow. Marshmallow is white and fluffy. Vanilla cake. Vanilla cake is simple and tasty. Strudel. Strudel is an Austrian pastry. Mashati. Mashati has rose water. Pancake, sweet. I eat sweet pancakes with honey. Toffee. Toffee is hard and sweet. Lamington. Lamington is Australian. Fruit tart. Fruit tart has fresh fruits. Churros. Churros are long and crunchy. Caramel. Caramel is sticky and brown. Milsei. Milsei has many layers. Halo-halo. Halo-halo is a Filipino dessert. Shortbread. Shortbread is buttery. Samanu. Samanu is for Nauruz. Waffle. Waffle has square patterns. Granita. Granita is like crushed ice. Sohan. Sohan is crunchy and sweet.
Thank you for watching.